Peace be upon you, my dear friends. Today with a new video with new information. This video is about one of the most common problems in our life. How can I activate the Office programs? Really, it's one of the most common problems that face all of us. Today, inshallah, we are going to activate the Office together for free, forever, and without software and without key product. We will not need software. We will not need a key product for activating this Office. Let's start very fast. Number one, I will open a page, a Google page. This is a Google page, and I will type here get period. And after that, I will find many choices here. The first choice, get.msguides/office2016.txt. If you want Office 2016, you will choose the first choice. And if you need to activate Office 2013, it's up to you, 2019, 2010, as you like, or 365, 365 Office, as you like. Today we are going to make our video on Office 2016. It's modern and more comfortable, and you will find a lot of facilities in this kind of office. Press the first one. You will find many websites here. I will press the first one also. Now there are many codes appeared here on the screen. I will click Control A to select all and right click and press copy. Press copy. I will go out on the desktop, right click and choose text document. I will open this notepad or this text document fast, and I will paste all the codes here. After that, I will save them. Okay, I will name the new file with Office CMD. Save, close. Now, this is my old document, new text document, and this is a new document here called Office. Okay, I will get right click and I will choose Run as Administrator. I will choose it. I will press yes. Look here, something appeared on my screen. Administrator, activate Microsoft Office 2016, all versions for free. For free, without software, without key products, okay, without anything. And inshallah, it will still forever with you. Okay, here activating Microsoft products for free without software, okay, activating your Office. Now, my Office is activating. This process will take some seconds. The connection to the server failed. Try again. Okay, this is the point. Congratulations. Now my product activating or activation successful. Product activation successful. Okay, this is the method to activate the Office. Let's make sure. I will open a Word page here to make sure that my office became activated. Okay. Okay, I will choose here. This is Word 2016. I will choose here account. Excellent. Congratulations. Product Information Office, Product Activated Microsoft Office Professional Plus 2016. This product contains Access, Excel, and Outlook, and the PowerPoint, and of course the Word and Skype. All the Office products are activated. I think this method is super easy, super fast, and I hope that you enjoy my video today and learn something new. Thank you for listening and watching. See you soon. See you soon and goodbye. Bye bye, my dear friends.